Hello everyone and welcome back to MK's Aviation. Alrighty, hello everyone. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today I am going to be doing a sort of different type of video than what I normally do. Similar style though, we will be reviewing a new model for me. I'll reveal what that model is in just a second, but as you guys are probably aware, most of you at least, Redriveraviation just recently did a giveaway, and it was 30 models trying to kind of raise awareness for the Midwest model store, and also just to celebrate how he hit 3,000 subscribers. So again, congratulations to him. I did enter that challenge, and I did actually win a model. So today we're just going to be taking a look at what that model is, and yeah. Alright, so I got to pick, I believe 13th or 16th, I don't really remember, but here is the model. I had, again, a pretty nice pick, and yeah, I was surprised that this one didn't get picked, but here we have the Pan Am 747 SP by NG Models. Now, I have already taken it out of the box, but again, a very interesting, nice box design. I was actually thinking about maybe getting this one, but I decided not to. Me buying it, but when the giveaway happened and I got my pick, I couldn't pass it up. So without further delay, I'll bring the model in. Alrighty, so here she is in all of her beauty. Now, I mean, look at that. That is just super nice. Lovely model. As you can see, the chrome looks just spectacular. The paint, NG nailed this one. Flawless model. It is just a great one to have in the collection, and yeah, we'll take a closer look at it and go into greater review. Pan Am 747 SP runs rich with history, as Pan Am was the original launch customer for the 747 SP, with the first delivery being Clipper Freedom back in March 5th of 1976. Pan Am 747 SP was also the first plane to ever circumnavigate the globe, with the 747 SP for a brief period having the longest range of any airliner around in the market. It flew direct from New York JFK to Delhi, India. From Delhi, India, it flew to Tokyo, Haneda, and from Tokyo, Haneda, it flew back to New York JFK, making it the first ever flight to circumnavigate the globe. It's also a very special aircraft to me because my dad's first ever flight was on a Pan Am 747. I'm not sure if it was on a SP or a 100, but it was on a 747 nonetheless on Pan Am from San Francisco to London Heathrow. So that makes this model very sentimental to me. But yeah, looking at the model, it is just gorgeous, guys. If you can get your hands on this one, I definitely recommend it. As you can see, the nose looks perfect, no issue at all. The chrome just looks so nice. I mean, it's like looking into a mirror. As you can see, here's the bottom of the aircraft as the chrome runs down. The engines look gorgeous. Yeah, there's no issue. As you can see, it is the China Clipper, as all of the Pan Am aircraft were named, I believe. Here are the wings. You got your old-time flats and slats. As you can see, moving into the tail, you have that textbook Pan Am old school logo there, along with the American flag. And yeah, if you look at the aircraft from the front, you'll just see again, it is a fantastic model. If I had to give a grade for this model, I'd definitely give it a solid 10 out of 10. So yeah, great model by NG as always, and we'll head to the outro. So yeah, guys, that is the Pan Am 747 by NG Models. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thanks again, can't thank you enough, Redriveraviation, for doing this video. I mean, it's always nice to get a free model, so I appreciate you guys doing this. Thank you to the Midwest Model Store for supplying it. I hope you guys learned from this review and got something out of it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. God bless.